Hey everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be covering a Shortwave email tutorial. Essentially I'm going to be showing you how you can set up Shortwave, clean up a messy Gmail inbox fast, and then how you can use the AI to write better replies, find what you need, and stay on top of tasks. While you're watching this video you can also get started by using the link in the description below this video. And by the end you will have a simple system to reach inbox and keep it there without living inside of your inbox. And if you are completely unfamiliar with Shortwave email, it is an AI-powered email application that sits on top of Gmail. It's built for speed and clarity. You get features like inbox splits, smart bundles, to-dos, delivery schedules, and built-in AI assistant for writing, search, and scheduling. It works on the web and has applications for iOS, Android, and Mac and Windows, so you can use the same workflow on every device. Shortwave currently supports Gmail and Google Workspace accounts, so keep that in mind. Now for getting started, once again you want to open the link in the description and then normally sign in with your Google account. Shortwave will pull in the last 90 days of email by default to keep things fast. You can import more or less history later on a paid plan. But the AI assistant is available on all of the plans, so you can start using it right away even on the free plan. And that way you are productive from day one without any cost. Now Shortwave has a free version providing only basic functionalities, but for the full suite of tools a paid subscription is required. But you can get started with the Pro plan at $14 per seat per month when billed annually, and you can start with it completely with a free trial for 2 weeks. There are also business plans which we will talk about later on in this video. But for the time being, after you've created your account and then chosen a plan or free trial, you will be in and you will see a clean inbox with optional tabs, a sidebar for pages like starred, snoozed, and to-dos, and the AI assistant docked on the side. That gives you one place to read, act, and ask for help. If you prefer a desktop application, download the Mac or Windows version from Shortwave's download page. Mobile applications are also on iOS and Android. Now at the top, you will see your inbox. On the left, there will be the navigation with the inbox, starred, and the to-dos. On the right, you will see the AI assistant. You process email in the middle and then you can ask the AI to draft, search, or schedule on the side. This will help keep your flow tight. You read and then decide and then act without bouncing between different tabs or applications. If you like keyboard speed, Shortwave supports familiar Gmail or superhuman style shortcuts, and it includes reminders and scheduling right inside Compose. Now the first thing that you should be doing is that you should split your inbox by priority, as splits are Shortwave's focus tabs. You can think of them as mini inboxes. You can simply create a split for important emails, another for newsletters, and another for receipts, etc. That way you can always see the right stuff first. You can also define splits by importance, built-in labels like promotions or travel, your own labels, specific senders, or even complex queries. This is how you stop context switching and keep your important tab at 0. And here's why this matters. When important mail has its own place, you can always check that lane often and ignore the noise until you're ready. It is the same inbox, but it's just organized smarter. If you change your mind later, you can edit or remove splits in settings in just a few seconds. Next up, we've got bundles. As bundles group similar emails into one line like a folder that opens in place. Newsletters together, promo blasts together, and travel updates together. You can enable built-in label bundles or create custom and contact bundles to group messages by label or sender. This will cut scrolling time, and with one action you can review and archive a whole group. If, for example, your inbox is full of updates from X, bundles are your best friend. You open the bundle, skim, and clear it all without losing the signal from real people who need a response. That's less cognitive load and more progress. Now you can also snooze and control when emails arrive, so if a thread needs attention later, you can snooze it. Pick a time and it will come back when you can actually handle it. For recurring noise like newsletters, you can set a delivery schedule so those emails land all at once or maybe twice a day instead of dripping in all day. Protect your focus, check them on your own terms. Now for the AI assistant, it is available on all plans and live inside the Shortwave. You can ask it to summarize a long thread, draft an email in a chosen tone, search across your mail in plain English, or schedule meetings with the calendar integration. For example, you can type draft a friendly reply confirming Tuesday at 2 p.m. and then include a Zoom link, and then you can insert it. Edit a line or two and send. AI search is where it gets real. You can try find invoices from Acme in August and list the totals, or you can ask it to show emails from the hiring team from last month. You will get results with context and pretty fast. If you need a meeting, you can ask create a 30-minute call with Sarah for Monday at 2 p.m. Add Google Meet and draft the invite email. The assistant sets it up and preps the message. And then we have the next step, which is to reply faster with AI, as you can open a thread and click write with AI and then generate a first draft. Or maybe you can improve what you already wrote. You can ask it to be shorter, more polite, or more direct. If the first pass is not you can regenerate it and then tweak. Make sure to use it to break the blank page problem, not to sound like a robot. The goal here is speed and clarity. And then before you hit send, you can set send later or add a reminder if you need to follow up. Shortwave brings the thread back when someone replies or when your reminder time hits, whichever one comes first. That way, nothing slips. Now, as for the pricing for this tool, you can start for 14 days complete free trial or continue with the free plan if you want that. Again, you can go ahead and navigate to the link in the description down below for convenience and sign up for your free account or with one of these plans. Now, when it comes to the plans themselves, you can choose between the business or the individual plan. The free plan exists in the individual route, and then you can have the pro one at $14 per seat per month when billed annually, or $18 per seat per month when billed monthly. In addition to everything in the free plan, you also get standard intelligence, 3 years of AI search history, max 50 threads per AI search, and more. The business plans give you more access to every feature that this platform has to offer. For example, you get 3 AI-powered filters, smarter AI answers with 2 times the context tokens, and more. So you can get started with the free plan. If you outgrow it, the pricing page will show the current tiers and what you get at each and every single level. As for some limitations that you should be aware of, Shortwave supports Gmail and Google Workspace today. If your company runs on Outlook or another provider, you will need to connect through Gmail or stick with your current client. Also, some advanced AI features and longer email history will only be accessible on paid plans, which is normal for tools in this space. So that will be all on today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know what you think of Shortwave email in the comments below. And if you have found this video to be helpful and informative to watch, then give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you won't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make relating to this one.